Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank VEYES for sponsoring this video and sending over these gorgeous lashes. I'm going to show you guys how to do these cluster lashes from home for my first time, and they're going to look this good, okay? This is my first time ever putting on cluster lashes, so this is very much giving beginner friendly. So if you guys want to see how I installed these lashes, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like my videos, you guys. It helps with the algorithm. Comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right there so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this eyelash tutorial. All right, you guys, so we're about to install these VEYES Luxe Bold Lashes. I'm very excited because I've been seeing these on TikTok everywhere, and I just want to go ahead and get into it. I've been taking notes. So this is my first time installing these, like doing any type of lashes at home other than like strip lashes. So this is my first time. So let's see if these are beginner friendly, but nonetheless, I am very excited. So on the back of the packaging, it does show you how to install, how to remove all that good stuff. But you know what I'm gonna do? I've been taking notes from the girls off TikTok, so yeah. Okay, so this lash kit comes with lashes. It has the seal and bond, and it has tweezers. This one did not come with remover, but I'm assuming that you can use some oil. I don't know. Right. So here is the lash bond and seal. Here are the tweezers. Here are the lashes. The lashes start at 8 millimeters and go all the way up to 16. I'm gonna just go ahead and dive right into it, okay? Go in with the bond side. This is the bond side. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. They said put this on the root of your lashes, but not all the way up like mascara. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do have a few like lash extension leftovers from me getting my lashes done like individually. But let's go ahead and get into it. And don't mind this, I burnt myself on the stove. I put a good amount on there because I want them to last. Okay, so we're going to start from the outside. I'm going to start on the outside with 14s. And I'm going to put some extra bond glue on the lashes because they said if you want them to last long, just put a little extra on the actual lash. Grab it like so. And just press it on the outside. And then they said give it a little push. Also, they mentioned not putting it on the waterline. So I did put it a little bit higher up. Or did I? I don't know. I think it might be right on the line. I don't know. So I'm going to go back in with another one of those. Low push. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like this. Okay. I did 4 14. So now I'm going to go into 12. Let me stop. I'm getting excited. All right, I'm gonna go in with the 8 on the inner corner. Hold on. Oh, go in with the seal side. Put some on your lashes. Go in and clamp them. And then I'm going to put a little bit more on. Just the root. And then they said a little bit on the top. Before and after, this is beautiful. I love these. I love these so much. I love. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this one real quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put my makeup on. And then I'll be right back. Also, you guys, I wanted to tell you that they have lash remover. I didn't mention this in any previous part of the video, so I just wanted to come and let you know real quick that they do have lash remover, so you can safely and carefully remove your lashes when you want to replace them with new ones, okay? All right, you guys, so I finished my makeup. This is the final look of the lashes. The lashes look so good. They look so good. I got a little bit of makeup on them because, you know, I'm not used to having lashes on and like doing my makeup, but excuse me, these lashes look and feel really, really good. They're very comfortable on my eyes. I love them. I'm so excited about these. I am going to wear these down. I'm probably going to have to get my daughter a little kit too, because she be wearing the lashes for the girls, okay? But yes, this is the final look. They look so good, and they still don't look like too dramatic. Like, I don't feel like they're overdone at all. But again, I did 4 14 inches, 2 12s, and then 1 8 right in the corner. And I felt like it was perfect. It was perfect. I can't wait to wear these out. Like, I cannot wait to wear these out. Like, I'm going to use every single cluster in that pack, believe me. Make sure you guys check out VEYES. They have so many other different styles. You can do wispy, you can do natural, so many. I definitely think these are beginner girl friendly. So if you've never put on lashes before, do not be scared, girl. These are easy peasy and so natural. Like, excuse me. I think the next ones I'm gonna get though are those wispy ones, because I definitely like a wispy look. Like, I feel like this look right here with some wispies in there. Yes, for sure. But thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. That helps with the algorithm. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.